lives and it's tactically clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Getting so much resistance from behind. It's time to stop, children. What's that
Card came
sound?
out.
Everybody look what's going down.
Don't pull the trigger while you got it in the ground. Don't turn it on. You already did it one time on the record, didn't you?
What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. Stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going now.
All right, we're back at the generator again, showing you skill saw. I'll plug it in real quick into the generator. Alright, the generator, as you know, we'll crank it up. Gives you high load, which I'm going to use skill saw for now. Crank up. Alternator running. Sending power to the generator. You can use that for however long you want, but it could be several of them. You can also run an AC unit on the house, whatever, on this generator, 6,500 watts of power. You do have it generating power to the battery. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right here. And that's alternating because of the alternator. Power board. You can see the alternator running. Alright. Turn off the generator. There's a solar panel on the front, of course. Right here. That'll make power from the sun. On standby. You have a utility light. Runs by battery, jumper cable, which will jump off any ATV or whatever device you may want. Battery power, now this is coming from the inverter inside the box. You have an inverter in here. The inverter's down here, I'm going to turn it on. Inverter's on, has a GFI safety plug. I'm going to take the cord from the skill saw, plug it in now to the inverter. Here. Now I'm coming off battery power, which is stored in this power cell here. I'm going to run the same skill saw the generator is running. You can see the power in here. Alright. Also has a, turn this back off now because we're not using the plug right now. Cover this back up. If it waterproof. In the box here, okay. You have an air compressor, battery powered. You can see the gauge here. That's all battery powered. Does have a cigarette lighter back over here, which I can put in there. Little bag here. And you could use that. Let's say if you were going to smoke a cigar, or let's say if you were going to light a fire or something at a campsite, you could use a cigarette lighter. Which is right here, just a regular cigarette lighter, basically. Alright, so you do have a light here in the front. Turn it on, it's battery powered as well. Light is on. Light is off. And solar panel, of course you have this facing the sun. You get too much reflection on this camera, but anyway, and give you power that way as well. So this could be perfect for any camper, construction site, ATV, hunter, you name it, you've got it. Hope this has been a fairly decent demonstration. I'm trying to do this quickly. Of course, I'll have a better video to show you later. Now this is also hooked to an ATV. It has a hitch right here in the front. This ball receiver, and that hooks right to your ATV, and then you can drive this to wherever you may want to. Back of a vehicle, ATV, any kind of utility vehicle. And also a bigger version of this would be for behind an automobile. I wouldn't pull this behind an automobile. Alright, well thank you very much, and I hope this has been informative. I appreciate it.
Get down on Main Street.
Alright, as you know, I've demonstrated the generator and the home power systems, but I do want to point out things about the generating system. It is a new revolution of generators. It gives you power, I call it on the fly. Uses about half the fuel, because as you use the generator for high loads, let's say for construction sites, roadside construction, to camping, to military, you use the fuel, gives you energy, and of course you pay for the fuel to get the energy. But as you're using those high loads, you banking power with the alternator on the same drive engine, so therefore after you use the high loads, you can turn off the generator, and now you can use the inverter through the battery power and power television, stereo systems, small bands, amplifiers, to lighting, television, you name it, skill saws, table saws, just about anything, and you get quite a few hours of power from the stored power that you have stored from using high loads that you paid for. So I call it getting power on the fly. I hope you see what I've come up with, and I think it is a revolution. It's a new generating system, and it works not only with this portable type generating system, but also with home systems and so on and so forth. Thank you very much.